Welcome to Capital Lisbon, day 88-89. We had 2 days to spend in Lisbon city. Lisbon is a beautiful city. It is filled with history, culture, food, and wonderful views. And the hidden deep with its multiple layers of some really interesting facts about Lisbon. Lisbon is one of the oldest cities in Europe. Although Lisbon wasn't always the capital of Portugal, UNESCO World Heritage Site said that Guimarães was the first capital of Portugal designated in the 12th century, and it is nicknamed the birthplace of Portugal. Also because the first king of Portugal was born there. Many people don't know the Bellow Tower was used as a political prison during the liberal wars of the 19th century. We visited the Jerónimos Monastery. We went to the Archaeological Museum, the Bellow Tower, and many other places. We had to go back to our hotel to prepare for the beautiful Portuguese island, Madeira. Let me show you some wonderful photos of Lisbon. Following photos are taken with Fuji X20 edited in Silky Pix Developer Studio Pro with Fuji Acros Film Simulation. Enjoy! I see you in our long trip in Madeira.